Everyone loves the neck on this bike. It's just awesome. Anyways, we don't know who did it, but a couple other things I've added lately. A pair of Hellas, third generation, from a Mercedes 190. You can tell they're hooded on the top. They're on an AEE twin bracket or twin headlight bracket. That bracket's actually made for Bates lights, but it worked out perfect for this. It's a Denver front end, like I said, re-chromed by Sport Chrome down in Anaheim, California. Did an awesome job because this thing was solid rust. So, early hub out of a dragster. I didn't redo the lower links. I left them as they were. And the hub. That was the original hub that was with the bike. The rim's a Milan. It's a pretty rare Italian rim. Got a Weber on it. You can tell it's a pan bottom end. It's got the generator cut out there. Shovel, flat side shovels don't have that. All right, mid controls, FXE style. So 65 bottom end, 66 top end. And some old chrome right there. You know, I just tried to save all the old yucky stuff. SB&F rear fender mounts, XFE, FXE rear fender that was cut down. So this is a little box opening today. I don't remember what it is. I know it's for a chopper part. It's sitting up here on the seat. I don't really know. Let me get this here. So let's find out what we got. So, well, it's paper and it's heavy. Oh, okay, awesome. I got these off eBay. We were just talking about AEE, Automotive Electrical Engineering. They were Tom McMullen's company. He started it back 60s or 70s. You can go online. I mean, basically started Street Chopper magazine. So these things, it's just some extra paper. This newspaper right here, these are original AEEs. I haven't decided what I'm putting them on yet, but they were new old stock. Look at how awesome that thing is. Anyway, wow, it's actually sharp and it's heavy. These things hadn't been out of this paper since they were first made. So I don't know what I'm going to put them on yet. Super heavy duty. You know, I could cut them down, change this, use this end, maybe drill another hole, take this, move it over here, make it a straight mount or something. But original AEEs out of the box, new old stock. Just came out of the newspaper for the first time, and well, a long time, because this is some pretty old newspaper. I don't know if it's got a date on it anywhere. Not really much of it left. Sure smells old, though. Anyways, these are supposed to be around 1974-ish. So, there you go. AAE chopper foot pegs. Probably mid-70s era. Another eBay find.